Hey guys, I'm your boy TP and this is Trade Pro Labs. Right now, I'm walking to my apartment in the Burj Khalifa. This is where I live. So I just wanted to come to you really quickly and explain to you what I do and how I do it. Just going to sound a little bit so you can see exactly the place. This is where I stay, this is where I live when I'm out here in Dubai. As you can see, down here, if you can see out here, you can see Burj Park at the bottom there, Cola Stadiums, etc. Right now, I just wanted to speak to you guys quickly about investing and what I do to invest. So, firstly, to invest in crypto and to understand exactly where the market is moving, you need to follow trends, you need to find opportunities, you need to find entry and exit points, you need to have a strategy. I'm going to teach you guys exactly how I do it. Every single video that I show you guys is what I actually execute on my day-to-day life. How do I invest? How do I live a life like this? Well, how can you guys get there? Let me show you guys exactly how to do it. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video and love you guys. Take care.